Last year's Black Friday was, it was different. Being forced to shop online due to a pandemic resulted in record-breaking Shopify sales. $5.1 billion on Shopify alone. Now it's a year later and the world is slowly going back to normal. So which trends will continue? So yes, this is a Black Friday video, but I'm gonna show you how to make sales year-round instead of just between Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Black Friday weekend, more like Black Friday season. Supply chain disruptions, shipping delays. This has been the story of 2021, especially in Melbourne. To mitigate this, ramp up your promotions and campaigns as early as November 12th this year. Many businesses are expected to continue their Black Friday sales well into December. This resulted in a 76% increase in sales last year. Black Friday is now a seasonal event, not just a weekend. As long as this keeps producing money, I don't expect Black Friday to shorten anytime soon. Accelerated checkout is becoming the new standard. Shoppers want to fill carts, not forms. Features like Shopify's Shop Pay makes payment faster. It remembers your customers' preferred details and encrypts everything so your customers can safely speed through the checkout. Shop Pay has increased checkout speed by 4% with an average order to checkout rate 1.72 times higher than regular. If your business relies on impulse purchases, ensure that your checkout is as slick and as hassle-free as possible. Customers want to chat with you in real life. Your customers want to talk to you. Live chat apps have become crucial for businesses and for buyers. The faster you respond, the more likely you are to secure a sale. Whether you're responding on social media platforms or via SMS, if you respond to a shopper's chat within 5 minutes, you are 70% more likely to get a sale from that shopper. If you have Shopify, Gorgeous is a great all-in-one chat app that we recommend here at Smarter Mail. Cross-border selling is a cornerstone of modern commerce. Independent businesses have been hit hardest by the pandemic. Consumers needed to make a choice to shop small or to let the powers that be take an uncontested hold on the world of commerce. Fortunately, your customers chose you. Last year, during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, more than 44 million consumers globally purchased from independent and direct-to-consumer brands powered by Shopify. A 50% jump from 2019. And I hope this trend continues for years to come. Hello, I just wanted to interrupt quickly. If you're enjoying this video, please leave a like down below. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you. There's demand for alternative fulfillment options. Your customers want to make their own purchases their own way. Curbside pickup and local delivery started as lifelines for local retailers and continue to play a pivotal role this Black Friday season. Consumers want to support local business and shop safely from the comfort of their own home. They also want to avoid shipping costs and delays. The kicker: shoppers check out with a 25% higher cart size when they choose local delivery or pickup. Wow. There's also tons of shipping delays and supply chain issues globally right now, so offering click and collect gives people the agency to get things when they need it. The top converting marketing strategies remain steady. A lot of things have changed over the years, but this hasn't. It's the same. The workhorses of online marketing are poised to stay relevant and profitable as we move in to the next era of commerce. Obviously, email marketing remains the most profitable, and if you're looking for an email marketing app, I highly recommend Smarter Mail. So use this information to get a head start on your Black Friday campaign. Not every trend is going to be relevant for your store, and if you have a question, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.